Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we implemented some DAX functions to create visualizations in Power BI. In this video, we will be calculating cumulative sales and we will create a table for key measures. The functions we will be using are calculate, filter, all selected and max. These are the DAX expressions for the following functions. They are calculate, filter, all selected and max. Let's continue. We will click on create new measure and we will create measure for total sales. Now we will create another measure for cumulative sales by delivery date, and this is the formula we are using to create it. Now we will create another measure for cumulative sales by shipping date, and this is the formula we are using to create it. Now we will go to the report view. We will insert a table visual here and we will add the fields delivery date, total sales, cumulative sales by delivery date, and cumulative sales by shipping date. We will now insert line charts here for the cumulative sales by shipping date and delivery date. In the x-axis, we will select delivery date or shipping date, and in the y-axis, we will select cumulative sales by delivery date or cumulative sales by shipping date. We will click on the drop down and select delivery date, and same we will do for the shipping date. We are adding a slicer here to dynamically enhance this visualization. As we can see, the values changes as per the values on the slicer. We can drag and drop the product instead of product ID on the slicer. When we click on enter data, we can create new table. We will name this table as key measures. We can see this table is created successfully. Here we want to move the measures we have created to the key measures table. In the home tab drop down, we will select as key measures and these will be automatically moved to the key measures table. Now we will delete the column 1 from this table, and after this we can see the icon of this key measure table is different because we have all the measures in this table. We can choose area chart in place of line chart to make it more dynamic. And that's it. In the next video, we will be learning about visualizations in Power BI. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.